Mechanical keyboards, once a gamer's niche, have sparked an obsession among young office workers, blending function with sensory delight. Unlike membrane keyboards, mechanical ones deliver a visceral typing experience with distinct thock or clack sounds via individual switches, offering ephemeral bursts of joy that elevate mundane workdays. In Seoul's Yongsan, shops like Semikey and cafes like Funky Straw enthusiasts. "I am looking for a mechanical keyboard to use for digital transcription at home," said Young-doon, testing models for an ergonomic fit. Affordable options, starting at 50,000 won, drive the trend, with brands like Rainy lowering barriers. Social media, especially YouTube ASMR videos, fuels interest. 39% of Funky's customers cite online content as their motivation. Customization is key, with Joseon Dynasty-inspired keycaps and RGB lighting creating unique setups. "Honestly, my mechanical keyboard is the only joy in my stressful work life," said Kim So-hee, a 26-year-old office worker. When asked why she loves it, Kim chose to tell it like it is and admit its tactile feel brightens her day. Couples now visit Yongsan's keyboard cafes for trendy dates, while women, once a minority in this hobby, now match men in numbers. With events like the Seoul Mechanical Keyboard Expo 2025 drawing crowds, this visceral hobby offers young professionals a creative escape and sensory refuge, showing no signs of slowing.